Hello my dear students, welcome to Prudence Coaching Mathematics class. In this particular channel you will get ICSE, CBSE and WBBSE solutions. Today's topic is how to solve root 5 on a number line. We will see using a digital platform and also using the pen and paper. So let's start. Today we will learn how to represent root 5 on a number line. For that we need to know the Pythagoras theorem. According to the Pythagoras theorem, we know hypotenuse square equals to perpendicular square plus base square. Here we can write hypotenuse equals to p square plus b square, and there will be a root because this square will be cancelled by a root. So here we will get hypotenuse square equals to root over p square plus b square. Now if we assume hypotenuse to be root 5, which we are asked to calculate, so here we will write root 5 as our hypotenuse, and we will always assume the perpendicular as 1. So if our perpendicular is 1, then 1 square will be 1. Now we need to assume a value of b square, which will give us root 5 on the left hand side and right hand side. We need to assume a value of b square which will satisfy this particular equation. So if the value of b square is 4, then we will get 4 plus 1 5, and there will be root here. So in the left hand side we will get root 5, and in the right hand side we will get a root 5. So like this, if we represent, then 1 will be p, the value of p, and b square equals to 4, so the value of b will be 2. So we have got from this equation that hypotenuse equals to root 5, perpendicular equals to 1, and base equals to 2. Now we need to represent all this in the number line. So let us start. Now let us draw the number line. So let this be a number line, and let us mark the middle as 0. On the left hand side of 0 we will get negative numbers, that is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 till minus infinity. And towards the right of 0 we will get 1, 2, 3, 4, and this will go on till plus infinity. So one thing we need to know that all this gap are 1 centimeter each, means all this gap will be of equal length. We have taken 1 centimeter because it will be easier to draw in a copy. So let us assume this gap to be 1 centimeter. So you will just use a ruler to draw this number line. After that we know that our hypotenuse equals to root 5, our perpendicular equals to 1, and base equals to 2. So let us first draw the base. So in order to draw the base, we will draw a line from 0 till 2. So from 0 till 2 we will draw a line, and this will be our base. Let us name it as AB. So AB, which is our base, will be 2 centimeter. Drawing a base which is 2 centimeter length, we need to draw the perpendicular, and for drawing this perpendicular which will be 1 centimeter length, we can use a protractor or compass, and we will draw a 1 centimeter length perpendicular on this point, that is B, which will be of 90 degree, and this will be of length 1 centimeter. After drawing this, we will just join this line, that is, if we uh, point it as C, then here AC will be the hypotenuse, and here hypotenuse will be root 5, because before this we have already proved that if our hypotenuse is root 5 and our base is 2 and our perpendicular is 1, then it will satisfy the Pythagoras theorem. So as we have got this one as root 5, but you can see that this is root 5, but this is not on the number line. Now we need to represent this length on the number line. For this, what we need to do is, we will just take the compass, we will point the compass here, and we will point the pencil in this particular point, and we will take this length and we will draw a arc like this. After that, it will cut on the number line in this particular point, which we will mark as D, and here AD will be root 5 centimeter. Why AD will be root 5 centimeter? Because as you can see, if we draw a arc, then this full arc will be a circle, and we will get this one as a radius and this point as a radius. So here AD will be equals to AC, and here AD will be root 5 centimeter. So this is how we need to draw the point, that is root 5, on the number line. Let us draw this in the copy. For this, first we will use a scale and a pencil and draw a straight line, and we will mark points 1 centimeter each on this line. Like this, you need to mark the points. Each points will be 1 centimeter each, so you need to use the scale. as this line will go on, so we will give two arrows and we will point a 0 in the middle, and on the left hand side of 0 we will get a negative numbers like this, -1, -2, -3, -4, and it will go on like this, and on the right hand side it will be 1 2 3 4 5. So this is the 0 point. Now from 0 we need to draw a line segment 2 centimeter, because this will be the base, because our base is 2 centimeter. On this base we need to draw a perpendicular line of 1 centimeter, because our height is 1 centimeter. So we are using a protractor, and like this we will point 90 degree, because perpendicular line means 90 degree. So we will join this line and draw 1 centimeter length. So we have drawn the height, which is 1 centimeter, and our base, that is AB, is 2 centimeter. Now we will join this line and get the hypotenuse. So like this we will join and we will get the hypotenuse, which is √5. As our hypotenuse is √5, so this length will be √5 centimeter. So this is √5 centimeter. As you can see, this √5 centimeter is not on the number line, so we need to take or measure this √5 and we need to draw an arc from the origin. As you can see, this is the radius of circle, you can see, or the arc from origin will be of same length. So let us mark this C and this one as D. So you will get AD equals to √5 centimeter. That means AC equals to AD equals to √5 centimeter. AB means the base, which is 2 centimeter. Our height is CD. This is CB. Next we will get the hypotenuse, that is AD, which is equals to AC equals to √5 centimeter. So like this we will draw √5 on the number line. I think it is very easy, so you will just do it like this. Following these steps you can easily draw √5 on the number line. If you find the content of this video helpful, then like this video and also subscribe this channel to get more videos like this, and don't forget to press on the bell icon to get notification of newly uploaded videos. Thank you. Have a nice day.